Hello everyone. Today I am having a little studio day, so I thought I would do a studio vlog, try that out, see what we think, see how we feel about that. I just kind of want to get a chance to let you guys get to know me a little better and see what I do every day as an artist. Maybe not every day, but some days when I feel like it and feel like getting dressed. Today is one of those days. It's a Friday. It's about 11:30 right now, so I had a couple ideas for some new holographic stickers. I want to continue kind of with my aquatic theme of some of the holographic ones I have and do a whale and a stingray and maybe something else. I don't know, maybe make it like a pad? I don't know. We'll see. I'm going to put on a podcast. I am actually not really a podcast person, but I do really like Query with Cameron Esposito. I started listening to it when she launched it, and I just love it. I love her voice, and I love her interview style, and have learned a lot about a lot of different people from different backgrounds, and yeah, I really dig it. I don't know, I would like to be a podcast person, but it's a challenge. So I want to know, are you a podcast person? Do you like podcasts? Do you hate them? Do you feel weird? Do you feel good about listening to them? Which ones do you listen to? Let me know, because maybe I'll find something that I actually like other than this. But I've kind of tried on a couple different ones, listening to them, and have not been crazy about it. Usually when I'm drawing something new, I guess, I will look up reference pictures, usually from Pinterest. Basically, I use Pinterest because it's a cleaner and easier version of Google Images. So I pulled up a couple of pictures and kind of loosely use those to kind of get the general shapes and everything. I just did some sketches in colored pencil. Someone kept interrupting me while I was working, so I had to stop for a minute and have a little Gouda time. It's just part of what I have to deal with every day. I love Gouda. He needs me to play fetch with him pretty much every time I'm working. After I've played with Gouda, I started on a new sketch, so one that's a little bit more cleaned up, a pose that I really liked, and I just do the whole sketch in pink color erase colored pencil, and then I'm going to ink it. For this part, I'm just going to put some music on, and you guys can just chill and watch me ink this guy. Okay, so here's the drawing that I ended up coming up with. You saw me probably take out this fin and redraw it just so it had a better composition to it. I think this looks a lot nicer. So this is kind of what the unfiltered drawing looks like. So basically what I'm going to do is once this is completely dried, I'll just give it a couple minutes. I'll erase some of these colored pencil lines and then either scan it if I want a really high quality line art, or if I'm feeling lazy, I'll just make it really, really bright. Like I'll put a lamp on it and take a picture of it and then put that into Photoshop. And I can kind of show you guys how I clean up an image and prepare it to become a sticker or like a product or thing like that. All right, so I just scanned my whale drawing and I'm going to show you guys how I clean this up and get it ready for production. I have opened my scanned image in Photoshop, and the quickest way for me to clean it up is to use a levels layer, and you click on the white eyedropper and basically click wherever you want in your image that is supposed to be white, and then same with the black. You can just kind of experiment with that a little bit to get your line work to be completely black and white and really clear and crisp values. There's a bunch of other ways you can do this, but this is just my favorite method. I usually do this with a couple of different layers just so it doesn't get either too overexposed or too weird looking. I don't know. Kind of experiment with it till you find what works out for you. I made a copy of that background layer just so I can save it in case I do want to go back for some reason. And then I'm just using the healing brush tool to go around my image and clean up any weird areas. Maybe my brush pen smudged, or like there's weird little dots, there's debris from the scanner. Basically just cleaning it up a little bit so it's a more fine-tuned image. Okay, now I'm just selecting the outside of that image and deleting it so it can have a transparent background. It's going to make it easier to upload to the website that I'm getting the stickers made, and I'm just kind of screwing around with those extra layers too. So that is the final edited product, what I will be dealing with, that I can upload pretty much directly. I did go a little bit further with this one and removed the white from the image. Basically, you can just make a selection of a color range and just select the white and delete that. So now I have only line work, and I can save that as a PNG image, which will make the background transparent, and use that to upload to my sticker website and add any notes or anything that I need them to do. I want it to have a white border instead, but since I know they can kind of handle that in production, I'm just going to leave it. So that is everything that I do to create a holographic sticker. Alright, I took a little break and did some figure drawing. I didn't film it just because I wanted to just chill for a bit. These are just some 5-minute studies, so 5, 10, 15, 20, about a half hour or so of just kind of doing some little figure drawing thingies. These are just in colored pencil. And I like doing these when I'm feeling like a little bit stuck or tired or whatever, to just kind of refresh and do some studies, maybe get inspired or have an idea for a drawing. I don't know. It's just fun, so it's a good exercise. I'll leave a link to my favorite figure drawing website in the description. Hey guys, so that is what I have been working on for the past couple of hours. Thank you for joining me. That sticker is completely ready to be ordered. I am looking forward to that. I'm very happy with how it turned out. And I did a couple drawings in between. I'm probably going to draw more later, maybe work on a bigger piece or do something else. I don't know. I'm going to keep doing creative stuff the rest of the day until it is time to have dinner, and that's usually about when I decide to stop. Maybe later even I'll work on packaging up more pins or things like that. Speaking of pins, my brand new first enamel pin just launched in my shop today. They look like this, and I am so excited. I'm so happy. I've wanted to make a pin for a really long time, and I finally just found the right thing that I wanted to do. And of course it's a raccoon because I love raccoons and they're my favorite animal to draw and favorite thing ever. So go check these out. I'm super excited. I can't wait for you guys to start getting them, and I hope to make more in the future. I really want to get into making pins. I know they're kind of like a hot thing right now, like they're trendy and whatever, and the market's already really saturated, but I want to do something a little bit different in my style and things that I would want to buy, because that's what making art's all about. So thank you guys so much for joining me for this little studio vlog thing. Let me know what you think. Is this boring? Is this stupid? Have you already left the video? If you've made it this far, congratulations. Thank you for hanging out with me. I hope you enjoyed it and enjoyed seeing Gouda keeping me company. And yeah, I'll hopefully see you guys again real soon. Have a good one. Is he just the cutest thing that you've ever seen? Oh my god. Hi.